In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to turn off email notification on your iPhone, so you can focus on what matters most. Let's get started. Step 1. Access email notification setting. First, let's try to navigate to the email notification setting. Here's how. Open the setting apps on your phone. Then you can tap on notification. Under the notification setting, you can scroll down and tap on mail. Now that we are in the right place, let's move on to the next step. You can Step 2. Select email account. You may have multiple email accounts already set up on your iPhone. To turn off notification for a specific account, you can follow this page. Under the mail notification setting, tap on Customize Notification. Then you can select it account that you want to disable. For example, this one. To disable this, simply just turn off the alert and also the badges. When you already turn off the alert and the badges switch, you already turn off the notification for those accounts. You can also do the same thing for the other account. You can tap on this and then you can turn off the alert and also the badges if it's already have alert. Okay. Or to make it simple, if you have more email accounts and want to turn off the mail notification from all accounts, just back and then just simply toggle the allow notifications to switch off. And that's it. You successfully turn off email notification for all the accounts. Congratulations, you already turned off email notification on your iPhone, giving you the peace and focus all of you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and bye!